get my truck out there. What do you guys think? Little something. I know I gotta put some rims on it, do some more upgrades, but that's part of having fun. Trying to do my thing, as you can see. Just started. I'm gonna get some footage for you guys. Love the smell of burning rubber. Trucks everywhere, I love it. Good shit. Everybody try to get in where they can fit in. Seen the content, you want us to bring more of it, man, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. We'll continue to bring it to you. Let's get it. Representing Arizona to the full.